Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And what we are going to be talking about in today's video is 4 things that I did today. It was absolutely a crazy day. A lot was going on in the stock market. And in your eyes, my portfolio may seem like the worst thing that ever happened. Absolutely terrible. But what I found out doing this and getting my portfolio down a bit, actually, it was the part that I got it up right here, this little bump. I learned something crazy that will definitely change my trading style forever. So before I get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below. It really helps out the channel a lot, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I post daily uploads showing you guys my portfolio growth and showing you guys the lessons I learned, the things I failed, the things I succeeded with, so you guys can also learn along my journey with trading stocks. Alright guys, so getting to the first part, the options. I'll just go with in chronological order. So I was holding, if you guys watched my yesterday's video, I was holding the option KHC just to play its options for earnings. So basically, let me explain this really shortly. Kraft Foods was supposed to release its earnings yesterday after hours, May 1st after hours, and so I bought options to, it was enough calculate, I mean, it was a risk that I was willing to take, it was calculated and everything like that, so the risk to reward ratio was over like 3 to 1, so I was risking basically $20 per contract, and I was able to make like $60. So I was willing to take the risk. It's not like it was super unexpected. I didn't know that this was going to happen. I knew it could happen, and I just went with it because I knew what kind of profits we could have taken out from this. So what I did is I bought, let's see if we can see in our orders. Maybe we can see right here. All right, yeah. So I bought $34 calls at $18 and at one at $20. So I bought two in hopes to swing it. I mean, not swing it, but to hold it over the earnings date and sell it the next day. And what happened is that Kraft Foods at 12 o'clock at night, it released that, oh, sorry guys, we're going to release our earnings 1 week later. So it turns out that now they're releasing it May 8th. And that is absolutely crazy. The reason why it tanked my account is because the decay was absolutely enormous. It was around 10 cents, I think, per option. And you guys saw how much I bought it for. So that's more than 50% of what the options were costing. So right in the morning, I took them. I sold them as early as possible. And I took out all I could. And that was a good move. I got out the most I could. And now we are down with our portfolio to around the $137 area. And what happened here is I did this yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I day traded on accident. I day traded KHC options. I bought an option and there was a huge spike, random spike, and I saw it's definitely gonna last for a short period of time. Why not just sell my options for for $5 profit? And that's exactly what I did. So that was an accidental day trade, but it kind of sparked in my mind that we can actually day trade options for way bigger profits than actually day trading regular stocks or swing trading. Well, maybe not swing trading, but with swing trading, you can't really do much overnight. You can't touch the position if something happens like late after hours or something like that. So this may change my trading style. Let's check out what I did. Really quickly, I'm gonna recap what I did. So it was around 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't know exactly when this was, but it was a certain spot. I think it was right here. Was it right here? Or it was here? It doesn't matter. But let's say it was something similar to what happened here. Or it might have been even this. So we saw that the stock price broke above the middle Bollinger Band. And this was not some lucky trade that I made. I was like, cross my fingers. I hope this is going to go up. I can show you guys exactly how much I bought it for and how much I sold really quickly. So if you guys look at my history, I bought at 104 and sold at 109 for $5 profit. And this was within like 2 to 3 minutes. So just a few candlesticks, and boom, I locked in the profits and didn't want any more. Just wanted to get that out of the way, and it did end up profiting me a lot. So I saw that the candlesticks bounced off the bottom Bollinger Band and passed over the middle Bollinger Band. And at this point, I think it was this green candle right here that I saw, and this was a definite buy signal for me because it broke above the middle Bollinger Band, and it was looking to start making an uptrend. So what I did is waited for a pullback on the middle Bollinger Band for it to bounce up the top Bollinger Band. Exactly what I did. I waited for a red candle. I'm not sure if it was this side, but let's just say it was this red candle. I bought in at 104, and after a green candle, I think it was the top of this red candle, I sold it for 109. Profits were absolutely crazy, $5 within 2 minutes. with only a $150 account, which is absolutely crazy. That's the power of the leverage with options. And I am planning to probably day trade more if there's a good setup. If there's nothing good, then I won't be trading because I know this is risky, and I'm only going to do it if I see an extremely great opportunity on this. And I'm not here for the big gains waiting. I could have, honestly, I could have made around $10 to $15 on this option trade if I just waited it out when it was bouncing up. But right when I saw this candlestick was starting to get red and it was starting to like show that it was starting to reverse, what I did was I sold it. Bam, took those profits, took $5 profit on that. All right, guys. So TradeView kind of logged us out for no reason, but yes, that's exactly what happened. We made some $5 profit, and that's what shot up our portfolio, the extra $5 right here. And I will definitely be in the future. If I see a good setup, I will be doing a little less swing trading and a little more day trading options, which seems to me way more profitable and way easier to manage risk because swing trading, you have to hold the stock overnight, which unpredictable things can happen. But that was the risk I was willing to take as well with swing trading. So we are here with my portfolio right around 142. And that was a huge success for me, at least, because I discovered the true power of day trading options. I thought options are like, all right, you hold it overnight and you hopefully it goes up. If it goes up, then you make $100 or whatever. But no, no, no. The way that I want to go in is day trading them. I'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys with that. But our portfolio is pretty steady, just with the free stocks moving up a few cents or so. And then near the end of the day, I saw some great opportunities, buy signals on some stocks. They were UWT and TQQQ. You guys can check them out right here. I bought this one. I'm at a loss at around 20 cents or so it's nothing bad at all. Um, it all goes along with the trade. But I'm going to show you guys kind of what my perspective on the stock and what was going on. So, um, come on, ads. Really? You gotta be that annoying? So, if we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that overall, US oil, basically oil in general, crude oil, was looking pretty good. All right, so we'll draw the support and resistance lines on this really quickly to show you guys kind of what was going through my head and what I saw with the stock. All right, guys, so right here is kind of like the support and resistance I drew on the stock. It broke above it for a period of time, used it as support, and then broke below tragically, and that's what what happened with their gush position right here. But right now, where it's at is it's touching the support, and that's the reason why I only bought 2 shares. I would have bought more, but 2 shares was enough for me. I know that if it breaks, that's perfectly fine. I'll just take my loss and I'll walk away, which is perfectly fine by me. But the thing is, this usually bounces back up to the resistance, and there's no sign yet that it's not going to. It started slowly kind of getting some, like a green candle up around the area of the support. So to me, it was a risk I was willing to take. Overnight, let's say gap down to buy like around 2 to 3%. I'll take that loss, take it, leave it. I'll lose a 2 to 3%. How much is that? $40. That's around $1 or so. I would have lost $1. And but the profit margin on this stock, if it ends up going up, let's see how much it is. Maybe we can check it out with Robinhood charts. Let's say it bounces, it'll probably be to around the area right around here. So it's 21.50. Right now it's at $19 flat. So let's say we even make $1, $2 on this trade. $2 per stock, bam, we made $2. Oh, $4 actually. $4. My bad. Math is going kind of weird because I'm doing this live right now. So yes, $4 for potential loss of $1. Bam, we'll take that risk. And I'm happy with that. So the second thing that I did was I bought TQQQ, and this was the ultimate buy signal. I was actually going to buy some options on this with SPY, but I decided, you know what? It's okay. I trade enough options for right now. Overnight, maybe not options anymore. I'll be doing day trading options, not overnight, because that's a bit risky. You never know what can happen. But let's check out TQQQ, or basically SPY, because it has a little more volume, so it's easier to see the stock moving. So basically, TQQQ is an ETF that basically tracks the overall stock market. You know what? Let's go to TQQQ. And what I saw with this is absolutely crazy. Let's try to pull up our indicator really quickly to see kind of what was going through my mind. With the moving average, I had it set to around 200. I can't use an SMA on TradeView, so this is what the best I could do. All right, so let's go to the cross. There you go. Why is this still here? All right, so you guys can see that this stock was getting pounded like the last 2 days or so. Had a huge sell-off. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys already know when the stock market has a little sell-off like this, where it did previously, that's where we buy in our TQQQ shares. Last time we did this, we made some nice profits. I think it was around 8%. So when there was a sell-off last time, I bought some shares. Bam, swung it up to here. It was like a 2-day swing trade. Bam, we made 8% just from swing trading TQQQ. Similarly to what I'm doing right now, it fell below, and there's still a chance that it could fall a bit more, but I would probably cut my losses maybe around 61.50-ish, just to be safe. And this profit for loss is a little bit big. I know, I understand. But this stock tracks the Aurora stock market. So if you guys think about it in the big perspective, it's gonna end up going up eventually, right? I'm not planning on holding this stock for a few months or so. This is just a few days swing trade. So the decay of the ETF is not gonna hurt me. So I'm planning to swing this stock up to around the maybe $68 area. Right now I bought it at 64. Let's check out really quick. 64.25. So we made a nice 0.7% already. So that's around 50 cents. Pretty nice. And we're planning to swing this up to around the $68 or $69 area. If it keeps going up without signs of a little bit of red candles to show that it's starting to kind of consolidate like it did here, then we'll hold it up as long as it goes. It could even go up to $70 or so. So let's say it goes up to 68 conservatively. That's around $4 profit margin on each stock for us. I'm planning to buy one more tomorrow if it still is low, but if it's not, that's fine. And that's an extra $4 for us on TQQQ. And percentage-wise, if you guys really are curious, 4 divided by 64, let's check that out. That's around 6.2% with a profitability. That's the profit margin percentage, and it could even be more. We'll just see how it goes. So yes, you guys can see that today's day was technically a loss, but what happened today I learned a ton from, and it will definitely be changing my trading style from majority of swing trading to basically half and half, probably day trading and swing trading. So I'll probably keep like $100 available after these swings to day trade the S&P 500. I think this is an ETF, right? SPY ETF. Yeah. So to day trade options on SPY, and that's gonna be it. Yeah. So thank you guys all for watching, and if I deserve that like from you guys, I'd really appreciate it. It'll help me cope with my losses. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.